Janet and I are out bike riding this morning, checking out the floats in Huntington Beach. Here Janet's taking a picture of our son and our granddaughter, Chris and Samantha, who are going to be riding on the Indian Princesses Parade float. We are getting ready to have the Huntington Beach 4th of July parade. People are lining up, the run is over, and we're just out having a good time.
Hold on, you'll get some.